Shit! Hello everyone, Ayub Koning is here. In this video, I will show you Ice Storm Extreme test. But this time it's not Ice Storm Extreme, the normal one. I did it with the MSAA 4X parameter. I activated it on my parameters in the phone. So it's a Samsung Galaxy A260F A2 core. So they tell me that they don't found it, but they found it in the internet. So I don't care about this problem. So I want to show you guys today 3D Mark Ice Storm Extreme test. I did a video without MSAA 4X. So today I will show you the results of the test with MSAA 4X parameter. So here we are. We had the overall score 5,273, graphics score 4,557 with a FPS of 25.6 average on the first graphics test and 16.2 on the second graphics test. Physics scores is 11,710. It's Exynos Octa 7870. Physics test FPS is 37.2 on average. So the performance monitor, CPU clock from 0.8 GHz to 1.6, battery from 72 to 70%, temperature the same, frame rate from the 4 FPS, the lowest one, to 100 FPS. I did all, and let's get into the graphics. And here we are. We begin into the demo, then the graphics tests. Maybe I want no. So here we are. We did it. So I did always the tests as always. Why this thing don't want to be showed up? Okay, if you want to zoom, here we are. So here we are, the demo, graphics tests, and the physics test. So here on the first graphics test, you can see that the processor has clocked itself at 0.8 gigahertz all around the test, because it was graphics that take the lead in this test, not the CPU. So I think it stays on its minimum. I don't know. Comparison between this one that has MSAA 4X parameter and the test that I showed in the last video that hasn't MSAA 4X enabled. So you know MSAA 4X will drop the FPS. I don't recommend enabling MSAA 4X in this phone, because it will do a lower score. But if you want better graphics, because this is quite a good test here, you can always do it. It's not a problem. But make sure that you will have the drop of FPS in your phone. So what I can do also, yeah, I tell you like the previous video that I found the 100 FPS mark. Thank you. No. Yeah, 100 FPS mark, but it's not 100 FPS mark because it's in the clock. If we zoom more, a bit more, we found here that this wasn't precisely. Yeah, it starts at maybe. I took this thing. Wait a minute. Oh god. Too far. I didn't too far it. I don't too far. I think it's less than 100 FPS mark, maybe. I think with 0.001% level, but it's always fine. And the lowest point is the 4 FPS on the graphics test too, because maybe MSAA or the capability that Ice Storm Extreme is not Ice Storm, like I explained it in the previous video. In 2 words, Ice Storm Extreme runs at better quality graphics and better resolution. So here we are, here we finished. So into the next one, I will run another video about slingshot OpenGL 3.0. No MSAA maybe, because MSAA 4X in this device work with OpenGL 2.0, not OpenGL 3.0. But maybe I could do a next video with it, with the feature enabled. Maybe, or maybe I've done it before. Before the test, I done the MSAA 4X. So I don't know, and I will show you the test in the next video. So yeah.